So we're here in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Kohler cartridge here. The trim itself, I can't remember what they said was the model number, but they did identify the trim and the valve and got us the correct replacement cartridges for it. The 7705 RP and the 7706. So the 7706 goes to the cold side, and the 7705 goes to the hot side. So here's the old hot cartridge that was in there, original to the home. We did have quite a bit of debris in there. I dropped a piece of it down here. Let's see if we can get it back up so we can take a picture of it. It's had quite a bit of these little white plastic, hard plastic pieces stuck down in there. And I'm not sure if it's part of the cartridge that broke off or whether it's something in the water main that came through. I don't know. We pulled out quite a bit of it. As you can see, those are the pieces. And then you can see the white plastic in these cartridges. Hopefully it's not focusing on something else. There it is. Let's see if we can get a focus there. So white plastic in there. I don't see anything broken, but looks like the same material. So anyways, we scooped out what we could, and then additionally you can see in the bottom of your tub, that is sand. So all of this down in there, hard to pick it up because it kind of falls apart. But anyways, the little speckles all over the bottom, that's sand, and that's in the city water. So that comes up between sand and any other debris, whatnot. It clogs these, so you either have low flow, no flow, or it drips, won't shut off, anything like that. So anyways, that's been replaced, brand new on the hot side. Cold's existing, no problem with that. We're not going to take it apart. Kohler recommend replacing it, but honestly, if it works, don't fix it. Got the other cartridge right there. They're 15 bucks on Amazon, no big deal. So we're just going to leave that for right now, put the handle back on, and outside of that, this installation is done. Okay, still here in Fresno, and we went ahead and changed the cold cartridge. We got this all put back together, and it was dripping. And we dried out the spout, stuck a towel up here, got it in there pretty deep, and dried out the water, but it still was enough water to bleed over the top and begin to form a drop. And we don't want to leave anything that's potentially going to drip. So we went ahead and pulled that out. This cartridge, the cold side, when we unscrewed it, and I guess it's okay. I'm not sure how they're manufactured, but the whole thing was just sitting down in the bottom of the valve body. So the valve body is the part that's underneath the tub, mounted to it, and then the trim, everything up here you see is the trim. So all that was just sitting down in there, piece by piece. So those little guys, rubber gasket, I'm not sure if that's why it was dripping or not, but anyways, the water is back on. We've bled out all the water through the faucets, kitchen sink downstairs, and then the faucets up here in the bathroom. And the water's off right now to the tub, as you can tell, and no water dripping. So that's a good sign. Anyway, so we're just going to replace the hot side because that's where they're having trouble, and replacing the cold as well. And of course, like I mentioned in the first part of this video, that's what Kohler recommended. So I guess we'll go with Kohler recommendation next time. Anyway, so the 7705 and the 7706. Those are the replacement cartridges for this tub. Should last quite a while, however old the home is. Should at least get that much run out of them this time. Can't tell you what's in the water, you know, besides the sand and whatever that white plastic was, don't know. But anyways, outside of that, this installation is done.